Hey, I'm Caitlin McCleary, and I'm here to show you guys how to spatchcock your Thanksgiving turkey. I'm gonna simply turn it over on the back side, so breast side down. Identify that backbone. What you wanna do is take some really good kitchen shears. They do make specific poultry shears that have a pointier tip, and they're awesome. You're gonna go down both sides of that spine though, and you have to use a little muscle. On those bigger birds, I might recommend even using tin snips to really crack those bones, because those are a lot bigger. You can hear it snap, crackle, and pop in there. I'm gonna get that last crack. So you can see here, I've cut down both sides of this backbone. It's a workout, guys. You're gonna earn your turkey dinner just by cutting out that backbone. There we go, we've successfully cut out the backbone. Make sure you fill on that inside for any of those little sharp pieces, because that's a great way to ruin your dinner. We're gonna simply flip it over. There's that extra skin. I like to trim that off. Rotate these legs out like so. And then what's kind of fun, is you give it a little bit of a CPR pump. You're gonna go and break that. And you want that to help that lay flat. So, you know, grab that underside there, put your hand on the center of that breastbone. And like I said, on those bigger birds, it's gonna be a little trickier. By doing that, you're gonna have a much more even cooking surface. And what I love about that is look at all of the surface area for the skin. You're gonna have a nice, crisp skin by doing this. So, do we throw away that backbone? What I like to do is I keep it along with the neck as well. And I'm gonna save these things to help make a really nice gravy. It's gonna go underneath the bird as it smokes and collect the drippings of this bird. Throw in some onions and some other aromatic things as well. And that's how we're gonna get a really nice gravy. We've got our turkey ready to go. It's been spatchcocked, it's been dry brined. We're gonna throw it in our grill. It's set at 350 degrees. Just like that. Another thing about the spatchcock, a lot of people worry about their chamber height. And because you've spatchcocked it, it's gonna be able to fit in there, so you can fit a lot more food in there. Like that. Oh, those flavors are smelling awesome already. At 350 degrees, our spatchcock turkey is gonna take about 2 to 2.5 hours, and that's a 16-pound turkey. We've just finished pulling our turkey off. It cooked at 350 degrees until it hit its internal temper of 165. So now we're gonna show you how to carve this turkey. What's awesome about the spatchcock turkey is you've taken out a lot of the hard work, so carving it at this point is pretty simple. The only way this thigh and leg, which is the turkey quarter, is connected is this thin membrane, and just like that, it slides off so nicely. And then you can identify that joint in between the thigh and the leg and break it there. Use a little muscle, but it simply cracks like so. Get your knife in there. So we've got a thigh, we've got our leg. Come up here and take that wing off. That's another thing with a little gentle rotation. Nice cracking. Get your knife in there and break it free on that joint, like that. On the wings, you can crack it down into the drumette as well. We've got our breast left. So identify that center breastbone. We're gonna cut down right against the side of that. Just keep going down. Work your way down, keep working it, and it will break free. You've got the beautiful, piping hot at the moment, turkey breast. And then you just simply slice it up like that. The skin on this is so nice and crispy. You're wanting to cut against the grain when you're cutting the turkey. I'm just gonna go in a nice fan shape here. And I like a thinner slice versus a thicker slice, because you can have two pieces instead of just one nice thick piece. And then repeat it for the second half, and you have a beautiful carved turkey. Get it on your platter. Remember how we put that pan full of the neck and that backbone that we cut out underneath? Well, those reserved juices, we're just gonna simply pour them over our turkey like that. And just give it some extra added flavor. All right, that is the recipe for the spatchcock turkey for your Thanksgiving feast. For more awesome recipes, check out campchef.com. I think you're gonna love this. I know for me, it's my favorite because that skin is to die for.